That today we're going to be talking about plant-based diet. And I think the one thing that everybody worries about is, how do I get started?
There are many different ways to describe what a plant-based diet is, and it doesn't always mean eliminating all animal products. Well, your body's doing, you might want to check your B vitamin levels, your iron levels, and make sure that you get enough protein, B vitamins, calcium, zinc from the rest of your diet. Well, the current research is saying that if you go more plant-based, you have a lower risk of heart disease as well as type 2 diabetes. Then again, I think it's all about balance, happy eating, well-being from eating and not stress eating.
Yeah.
I'm making a grilled whole cauliflower that has a yogurt and curry crust. So, I am going to use an air fryer for only 9 minutes, and you have a nicely grilled cauliflower.
2, 1.
Lift off. Wow.